Right, so I've got this velvetizer, and yeah, I used the Hotel Chocolat sachets, but I thought I could do this on a even cheaper scale, and save even more money and try different experiments. So I just got some chocolate from, actually chose the cooking chocolate because it's quite chunky and easy to grate. So I just grated that on a normal grater, and then I just got this from Lidl, which I'll try out in the next week. And I think I heard that flakes is a good option as well. Just like break it up because you need the chocolate sort of this consistency. So this is how it looks when it's being grated. Yeah, and it works out really good value. So you're looking like a hot chocolate from Hotel Chocolat or a few places in London, but from Hotel Chocolat, it's about £3.50. So this works out as 45 pence, and you can use any milk, oat milk. I tried one with almond milk, so it's a bit less calories. And today I'm just going to use organic full fat milk. And yeah, that works out about 45 pence, which is fantastic value. And you can always put it in a takeaway cup and take it out for a walk. So you want to measure out about 30 grams because that keeps it quite a good calories. It'll probably be about 200 calories, but it will work it out depending on your bar. But yeah, about 4 or 5 pieces, depending on the length of the bar. And I would always go for the chunkier chocolate for grating, and because it grates really easily rather than the thin ones like say Lindt, because I found that quite hard to break to grate. And then yeah, first thing you do is just put the milk in. So you put 200 mils of milk, or 220. It's exactly 220, it says. So yeah, just try and use the freshest milk possible because that helps with making it frothy. So there I've used organic full fat milk, but feel free to use any plant-based milk like oat milk or almond milk I've tried, which was quite good. And then you can see the flakes. I've made sure there's no chunky bits there, and I'm just going to put those in here. So you can see I've you always have the milk in first and then the chocolate. And I use this big bowl for grating because I found in a smaller bowl, it's quite big. In a smaller bowl, it does go all over the place, the chocolate. So yeah, you just put it in and then just put the top on, and it will be done in 2 minutes. So just sure that's on, and then you just press down here, and it's literally 2 minutes. And yeah, one tip, because I noticed a lot of people said when before I bought it that oh, the hot chocolate's not hot enough, but it's made at the perfect temperature. And if you like your hot chocolate quite hot, then they recommend with the cups that they give you, just put some boiling water in this and just leave it until the hot chocolate's done, and then you can just tip this out, and then your cup's nice and warm. And it's a really good tip. Just be careful, obviously. Another nice tip is if you do like mocha or espresso in your hot chocolate, just fill in like one of these shot glasses or two with espresso, and then you can just pop it in the hot chocolate because I love mochas. Voila, it's just stopped, so it's made. Exciting. And you can see, yeah, it's nice and chocolatey. I didn't put too many cubes in, but feel free to experiment on how chocolatey you like it. I've just tipped the water out now, the hot water out of the cup, and then just going to pour it in and save myself £3 and have delicious hot chocolate, which is probably less calories. And you can see that 220 milliliters of milk, it just fits right at the top. So it makes a really nice consistency there. Just move that so you can see it's nice and frothy. So voila, enjoy.